In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an SMS campaign using Brevo. This comprehensive guide will walk you through each step of the process, ensuring that you can confidently design and execute your next SMS marketing initiative. So let's get started. First, head over to the Brevo dashboard. Once there, focus your attention on the campaigns section. This is where you'll initiate all the actions, so go ahead and navigate there. As you browse through the campaigns options, keep an eye out for the Create Campaign button and click on it. From the available options, select SMS to indicate the type of campaign you'll be working with. Next, it's time to personalize your campaign. Give it a name that's descriptive yet concise, as this will help you easily identify it later on. Once you've settled on a suitable name, click on the Create Campaign button to formalize this first step. Now, it's crucial that people know who the message is coming from, so the next step involves entering a sender name. This could be your brand name, a team member, or a title that recipients will recognize. A familiar or trusted sender name can greatly increase the openness and responsiveness of your audience. After you've set the sender name, it's time to select your recipients. Think carefully about whom you want to reach with this campaign. In the recipient section, choose the list or segment of contacts that aligns best with your campaign's goals. Targeting the right audience is essential for maximizing engagement and achieving your desired outcomes. Once you've added your recipients, make sure to click Save to preserve these selections. This is an important step, as it locks in your campaign configurations up to this point. Now direct your attention to the message content panel and click on Create. This will open up a workspace for you to compose the SMS message itself. Take your time to craft a message that is clear, direct, and actionable. Keep in mind that SMS messages are limited in character count, so make every word count. When you're satisfied with your message, don't forget to save it by clicking Save in the top right corner. You're almost there. With everything set up, you now have the choice to send your SMS immediately or schedule it for a later time. If you have a specific date and time in mind when your audience is most likely to be engaged, scheduling might be the way to go. Before committing to a send, take advantage of the option to Send Test SMS. This gives you a chance to review how the message appears to recipients and make any necessary adjustments. And there you have it, the entire process of creating an SMS campaign using Brevo. By following these steps, you should be ready to launch a successful campaign that resonates with your audience. Thank you for watching and happy campaigning.